I always feel sad when good old reliable tech fails me, but since I have the anti-Midas touch, I will find myself in that place quite often. So I was quite sad when my reliable Jaybird headphones failed me, so I needed to find new pair of headsets for exercise use. And for that I found these from JBL, the Wave Beam. Alright, so these are released in 2023, about roughly a year old these days. They are with Bluetooth 5.2, so good reliable connection. Single charge on the headphones should last 8 hours, and the cradle can charge them twice, so overall playback time without charging should be 32 hours. IP54 means that these are sweat and dust resistant, so good for using while exercising, so they don't break during that. Hopefully they don't break during that. Okay, about other specifications, I checked the JBL website, and these should have a thing called Smart Ambient. So basically you can define from the software how much of outside noise these will allow to come through to while you are listening and walking and using them. That should be quite good. We will test that later on. Okay, and these also have a thing called Thru, so you can define how much outside voice you will hear in apartment or in office. So if other people are talking next to you, you can define what level of noise is coming through from the headsets to your ears, so you don't need to take out the headphones to have take part in the conversation. And a thing called VoiceAware is something that these also have. So with that you can define how much of your own voice you will hear while using them in a meeting or a chat or a phone call. That can be quite useful also.
Especially if you're filming yourself or something.
Yeah, true. Okay, that's basically it. Let's unbox these. That shouldn't take long. Yeah, here. Small, nifty, handy. USB-C. Small package of manuals.
Won't need them.
10 centimeters USB-C, USB-A cable, and different sizes for the earpieces, so small, medium, and large. Okay, let's pair these up. Oh yeah, there are small pieces protecting the charging heads, and you have to take these away. So now if I put them back here, we have lights, and yeah, you have to take them away from the cradle and then they will be ready to be paired. There is also an app, JBL headphones. Alright, let's give it a test. This is the same app that the 720 headset also used, the one that we made a video earlier about. So it's a good thing that they don't have a different app for smaller headphones and bigger headphones, because no one likes more apps. Yeah,
every device wants you to put on... what did you do?
Just the power button. Hey! Ass off!
Thanks for your input.
Okay, permission to look for nearby devices. Alright, yeah. welcome to new JBL Beam. Get started. Ambient sound control, VoiceAware. By default, these are connected charts. Ambient sound control. Let's see what that gives out the information. Yeah, how much you will hear of surrounding, like traffic and things like that. Let's put that on. You will hear, yes. Alright, do that. There's the equalizer. Basic standard setting: jazz, vocal, bass, extreme bass.
Bass.
Bass, extreme bass. Not fishes these days. I'll put it to bass. You can define it very well. There's an equalizer that you can change every setting basically. For each headphone, you can define gestures on the side. By default, left one has volume control. You can change it to 1 tap is more volume, 2 tap is less volume, and tap and hold is the activate voice assistant. Okay, so you can use these with, I don't ever use it, what's it called, the Google Assistant and
Siri and
those. And there's a possibility to do the call control, so answer and decline for calls. On the right one, there's the playback, play, pause, next track, voice control also, and call control. Alright, that's good that you can change what these do. On the VoiceAware, you can change the level, how much of your own voice you will hear. You have to activate it first. I will set it, there's 3 settings: low, mid and high.
High might be really annoying and distracting.
Smart audio and video, what is this? Giving you best audio quality. Oh, this was on the other headset also. I don't know.
If you're watching movies or something, videos.
Yeah. There's audio mode on or there's video mode, so I will leave it on audio mode.
Yeah, that's probably the best if you're listening to music.
Most likely, yeah. You can disable the voice prompts if you want. There's a limiter for max voice, max sound, that's good. Especially if you're giving these to children. Find my buds. Okay, you have to tap the following earbuds to start high-pitch beeping. Okay. Is this on by default?
But that's good because I always lose those small ones.
Yep. Yeah, that's good. Power saving. Let's set it on. Oh yeah, it will automatically turn off after 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours if you put it. I will set it to 30 minutes. And then the support, is there a firmware update? That's something that I can also check from here. About software, no. Set up headphones, no. Reset the factory setting. No, I don't think, since it's not prompting, I don't think that there is any firmware update. But in the future, you will find them here. Okay, let's put them in ears and test them. Oh yeah, it's very odd hearing your own voice because the VoiceAware is now on. I will set it off because...
Yeah. Does it have a delay or is it as you speak?
It is as I speak, yeah.
It's very good when you're filming yourself or something, you get used to it.
Yeah.
It's a good thing to have.
It is. But we will always listen. Unforgiven. Do you want to participate, Poju?
I can hear it here. So the loud is very loud.
The loud is very loud, yeah.
That did something.
Yeah. Double tap on the top is voice down. Single tap is voice up.
Wasn't it 1 tap is... I don't remember.
1 tap is up and 2 taps down.
Okay.
Okay, you can change it from the settings. And play stop is on the other by default. But you can change these all from the app. Okay, I will use these for a few weeks and then I will let you know how I feel about them. But for you, 2 weeks is done now.
Alright, so now few weeks have passed and I've been using these daily. For a true wireless headset that sells under 50 euros, I totally would recommend these. Sound quality is good, they fit nicely into my ears and don't fall out during exercises. These use the same app as the other JBL headphones, so you don't need to install extra app to your phone, which is always good. The battery promise that they give out seems to be quite solid. I didn't have to charge them even once, even though I've been listening quite often with them. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.